This video, I'm going to show you how to build a tablecloth and upload it to Second Life. Today we're using Blender 2.82a. It's supposed to have a lot of fixes in it. And we're going to use the default cube. How about that? So let's do a few setup things here. First off, we're going to need to do cycles. We're going to need to do the lighting. Push that up. Because we're going to have some textures. Let's get rid of the sun. Or the external lighting. And we're actually going to use the cube as our table. Okay. And now I'm going to add a plane. Go into edit, GZ, push it up. Nah, it's not too important how high we make it. That looks good. Scale by 4. Okay, now we need to add a bunch of geometry. So let's do subdivide. Hit F9 to get the, or you can click on that thing there, either one. And type in 50 here. Okay, now we've got some geometry. We can go a little higher, but in the interest of saving some overhead. Okay, now I've sprung for the Extreme PBR Combo package. Contains close to 1,000 different textures. And we'll pick a texture here. Just as an example, let me show you here. Like fabric. Yeah. Any one of these, I don't know. Pick the first one. Okay, add new. And there's our texture. Yeah, I don't like that for a tablecloth. That looks better. I like that better. Okay. So before we start massaging this plane, we need to make it into a, we need to get some textures so that we can upload the textures to Second Life. Okay, so we do a Shift A into the shading entry and create an image texture. Click New. Cloth. Don't need no stinking alpha. Click OK. Should be already unwrapped, but we'll do an unwrap anyhow, just in case. Sure that's selected. Go to Bake. Change it to Diffuse. We've done all this many times. Click Bake. Poof. There's our texture, our tablecloth. Before we lose it, we need to see the little star there. We need to do a save as. Save as image. Okay, got it. And let's change this to cloth. Okay. Now we need to get into some modeling here. Actually some layout. All right, go back into physics, do cloth, and over here are some presets. Let's pick silk, and then we want 10 for the quality steps. We'll go down to, where's it at? Collisions. Put a 5 here, and then turn on self collisions. And then we go to over here to bake. And hopefully I can figure out how to speed this up so you don't have to watch it. Oh, wait a minute. Did I make this into a collision? Yes, I did. Okay, we need that to be a collision. Okay. And we'll make our physics. We'll put it in layout so you can see it run across here. Hopefully I can figure out, show you how to speed this up. Well, we could change the end cycle to something other than 250. I don't think we're going to need it. Maybe 150 is plenty. Okie dokie, come on. You can do it. I don't know, can I escape that? Let's see. Yes, I can. Okay. Now I just hit the space bar and let it play. And there's our tablecloth. Now we want to do is we want to let it run a little while till it looks a little more realistic. I'm sort of liking that. Okay, do a shade smooth. We've neglected to do that. Oh, we're trucking here. We're almost done. Okay, so now we need to do a file, export. Let's just, for the heck of it, Control Shift. We're going to call this cloth. Save our blend file. Okay. File, export, collada. In for the drop down. Pick that guy. Turns on that thing. It's still not working where the crud. Cloth. Okay. I guess I changed the case. Okay, so now we've got our texture written and we've got our mesh written. Let's go to Second Life. And here I am at Second Life. And we'll do a build, upload, mesh. And there's our cloth. There it is. Calculate the fees. 18 lindens to upload. Okay, drop it on the ground. Let's edit this thing and make it a little smaller. That's a pretty darn big tablecloth. Huge table. You think? Still too big. All right, good enough. You know what? I'm in the shade of somebody here. Well, whatever. Let's move it over into the sunlight. Now we upload the texture. Control U to do the upload of the texture. Click open. There's our cloth material. Uploading that. This has got to be so simple. You drop that guy down on there and voila. There's our tablecloth. Okay, so things you might note now. In order to save geometry and costs, this is a one-sided surface. So if you look, for instance, let's try and look through that thing there, you will see it's invisible or from the inside. But you're going to put a table underneath there anyhow, right? So you don't need that. So let's see, what do we got for cost? Land impact 8, not too bad for the thing. So there you go. We got a tablecloth in Second Life. So I might mention that you can use any texture you wish. Excuse me. Instead of that Extreme PBR textures that I demonstrated. And they'll work just fine if you follow that same technique that I just did. And that's it. So hopefully you'll be able to create some nice tablecloths for your kitchen, Second Life. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.